Hey there, I'm Jeff, here to tell you how to optimize comfort and productivity in your home or workplace. It's a love-hate relationship we have with that sun of ours. Love, because it grows our crops, warms our souls, and keeps our planet from becoming a giant snowball. And hate, because at times it can be more uncomfortable than a conversation with your parents about the birds and the bees. The point is, it's hard to get anything done when you're focused more on the sweaty creek running down your back than you are on the task at hand. But the last thing you want to do is shut out the light and work in the dark all day like Dracula. So what's the solution? Try window film. A totally transparent film that can block up to 80% of the sun's heat that would have otherwise been streaming freely through your windows. In fact, our films are so efficient that many of our customers can make a return on their investment in just a couple years from energy savings alone. With window film, you gain all the comfort you need without losing any of the natural light, so you can get back to and be more productive at the task at hand. That's how you optimize comfort and productivity in your home or workplace. Scottish Window Tinting. Experience excellence.